Ever noticed your diesel truck acting like it just woke up on the wrong side of the bed during a freezing morning? You might be seeing the P0477 code pop up on your scanner, which means your exhaust pressure control valve alpha has a low signal. This is a generic powertrain code that you will often see in heavy-duty diesel engines like those found in Ford, Dodge, Mercedes, or Volkswagen vehicles, and even those trucks with dealer-installed exhaust brakes. Essentially, your truck has a valve in the exhaust stream designed to create back pressure to help the engine warm up faster and provide extra braking power when you are towing a heavy trailer down a steep grade. When this code hits, it means the incoming signal from your exhaust pressure sensor is not matching what the computer expects based on the intake manifold pressure or ambient air pressure during normal driving. You might notice your malfunction indicator lamp is glowing on your dashboard, or perhaps your truck feels like it has lost its get up and go. You might also notice that the engine takes forever to reach operating temperature, or that your exhaust brake just is not slowing you down like it used to. The most common causes are usually electrical, such as a short to power or an open circuit in the wiring between the control solenoid and the powertrain control module. It could also be a faulty relay or a dead solenoid. To fix this, you should first search for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, because manufacturers sometimes release software updates that fix these codes without needing new parts. If there are no bulletins, find the exhaust pressure control solenoid and check the wiring for signs of rubbing, bare wires, or melted plastic. If you find corrosion in the connector that looks green or burnt, clean it with some 91% rubbing alcohol and a small brush, then apply some dielectric silicone compound to keep the moisture out. If the code stays after clearing it with a scan tool, try swapping the exhaust brake relay with a matching one from your fuse box that you know is working. If that does not do the trick, you will need to use a digital volt ohm meter to test the solenoid resistance. It should not be showing zero or infinite resistance. If the solenoid is fine, check for 12 volts at the power supply with the ignition on. If you have 12 volts when the ignition is off, or no voltage at all when it is on, you have a wiring or computer issue. If you are not comfortable testing live circuits or the wiring looks like a total mess, that is exactly when you should head to a professional mechanic to avoid frying your expensive powertrain control module. Feel free to ask if you need help finding the location of that solenoid on your specific truck.